go to the doctor. That's your job. Either you go take it, either you go to the doctor or you give me the thing.
Okay, let's just try it.
Okay.
Okay. I lied.
Give it to me. Right now.
Buddy, make your mother behave.
Give it to me. Either you give it to me or you're going to the doctor.
Okay, I'm going to the doctor.
You promise?
No.
Now what?
No, try it.
Promise?
What?
Promise.
Oh, don't make me laugh.
Promise.
Oh, don't make me laugh. Babe,
Promise.
make your mother behave.
Promise.
Promise what?
You're going to the doctor.
I don't want to hurt your back and your bones and your
You won't.
joints.
Promise you'll go to the doctor.
I will one day.
No. I will go to the doctor.
But I'm going to be
Tomorrow?
lying. I don't want
Tomorrow, I will go to the
to.
doctor.
Tomorrow you will go to the
Mom?
doctor.
I'm more stubborn than you are. Just sit there.
Wait, at least let me come out of my car.
No, that's the whole point. Tomorrow, I promise I will go to the doctor.
But how can I do that when I've already canceled?
Call him back. Call him back right now.
And you're making my stomach hurt.
Tomorrow, I'm gonna call him right
I'm
now.
old.
I'm gonna call him right now and tell him I need my appointment back.
I'm old.
I'm gonna call him right now and tell him I need my appointment back. Tell him. Promise.
Okay, tomorrow.
No, now you're gonna call him today. I promise.
I promise.
I will call them.
You will call them.
I'll sweep the floor with you.
Oh, my son. Bailey, tell her your Grammy's old.
Say it.
Oh, wait, I can't. My stomach hurts.
No, you're not getting up.
This is mother
I
abuse.
don't care.
What a nice way to get home from work.
Say it.
Do you believe I've had a heart attack?
Say it.
I've had a really hard attack. And you're not making it again.
That's why you're laughing so hard.
Oh, my stomach. I gotta get up.
You can get up really simply.
Okay.
Say, I promise.
I thought you want me to lie.
No, you're not going to lie. You're going to tell the truth.
Okay.
I promise
I promise
that I will call.
that you will call. What if I told you this actually feels good? To just lay. Okay. I will try to call.
No?
I will call them back and say, do you have an appointment tomorrow?
No.
What?
I promise
I
that I will call them
That-
today.
Well, wait, I gotta know what I'm promising before I promise.
You can stop if you don't like it. That I promise
I promise.
that I will call them today
I will call them today
and get an appointment
and get an appointment.
and actually go to the appointment.
This is so weird.
Mom,
Oh, baby, do so with your mother.
I'm just going to drag you all over this house.
You'll hurt your
I
back.
don't care.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
You'll be in pain
I
tonight.
don't care.
I've got a life to live. I gotta